Hello everyone, welcome to another Skullcandy tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video I will show you how to fix Skullcandy left earbud is not working. Now there can be a lot of issues that when it comes to this particular issue. For example, as you can see, often one of your Skullcandy earbuds might stop working because of a firmware glitch or a simple pairing issue. Now that's the easiest thing to fix. You can try restarting the earbuds, unpairing and forgetting them from your device, and then pairing them afresh again. Now this is a very common issue, so furthermore the driver inside your earbud might be clogged. In this case you just need to clean your earbuds properly and it should start working again. Now rarely one Skullcandy earbud might stop working because of a charging issue, so your case it might be refused to charge one of your earbuds and consequently your earbud will refuse to turn on. So make sure to charge your earbuds as well. Now other ways how you can fix this is to restart or reboot the earbuds. Now all Skullcandy earbuds will automatically turn off when you put them in the charging case and close the lid. So most if not all models can also be turned off on manually without putting them inside the charging case. So you can do that obviously. You can also restart the connection. So obviously just disconnect and forget about the device. That's what you can do as well. Obviously this could be like the easiest fix. Now next thing, you can reset it. So with restarting the connection you have to unpair them from your phone and forget the earbuds. So you can even disable Bluetooth on all the nearby devices as well. So that can also be the case, or you can just turn them off for like 4 and 6 seconds. Now these are just a couple of things. You have a couple of reset methods, but keep in mind that usually it will be this reset right here. So maybe a firmware glitch or a simple pairing issue. So just make sure to unpair them and try to pair them again. Or the driver inside your earbud might be clogged, so just clean them out. You can clean them out with a pressured air as well. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can fix Skullcandy left earbud not working. Sometimes it can be left, sometimes it can be right? It's not very specific, but that's how it is. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next video.